Of the fish. I'm putting this on face or YouTube. Is it showing them?
Yeah.
Watch this. Now this is cool. Got it, Brandon?
No, I ain't got no food.
Did you get that?
Yep. He didn't eat it though. He knocked it out of your hand.
You're not gonna get it unless you come up here.
Bring it closer. Or dip it in the water.
Oh, that hurt.
He's a douche fish.
Hey, this is going on YouTube.
Huh? He's open.
Where'd he go?
He's to your right. Right.
It's an albino. Yeah, I see it. It's like a catfish. Yeah.
Should have made bigger pieces. Get a shot of all them. Zoom in on them if you can.
I set it so it can't zoom now. How long ago before they threw some solution here?
It's been, what, 10 years? You had a leak. One of the big rocks at a couple years ago. The pond drained down about
Mom,
half the size.
what
Lost
else?
a lot of it. It's starting to come back now.
That was baloney. Really?
I had an albino out here called Bogey. He was at least 20 pounds.
Wow.
See if I can get him to come back there.